What is going on, everybody? Today we are back, and yeah, we're heading out wheeling. The area we're going, I've heard there's a couple of slides, which sounds like some fun, and yeah, we got some variety with us, some Jeeps, some Nissans, and of course me and Corey in the Toyotas. So yeah, let's see what we can get into. When we got to the slide, we realized that there actually wasn't much left to go over. Most of the snow melted away and only left a couple of obstacles for us to go over. Not everyone had the wheelbase or the clearance to do this obstacle. Good thing there was a way around. As we started to approach more and more snow, our destination was in sight. Unfortunately, by this point, it was raining so much that there was moisture buildup on the inside of the lens on our camera. Not only that, the audio sounded awful, but as you can see, we're here. Behind me is White Boar Lake, and even further behind that, you'll see the glacier. Unfortunately, because of the previously mentioned camera problems, I wasn't actually able to show you the falls. But we had one more stop in mind before we decided to end the day. Anyways, guys, that is about it for this week's episode of Dirt Garage. And remember, if you like the stuff, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hey, if you want to support the channel, head over to www.dirtgarage.ca, pick yourself up a t-shirt, a sticker, every little bit helps. Anyways, guys, that's about it, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.